What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Disney's Hollywood Studios for yet another Star Wars Galaxy's Edge construction update. There's been a lot of progress, so let's go check it out. No wait to get through security or the front entrance, and we're on our way. Hello, Toy Story Land. It's good to see you again, and in order to get the best view of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, we gotta go here. Ah, yes, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We finally made our way over here. Let's take a look and see what all has changed. It looks like some of the theming work is done on this structure right here. We can see some antennas as well. Well, look what we have here. Our first spaceship has arrived on the planet of Batuu for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Here's a closer look at the spacecraft, and we can already tell the detail on here is amazing. Check out those engines right there. We have the tail right there. The rest of the fuselage is over here and there.
I'm observing new forms of intelligent life.
Being laid out right now by the private. This is Private Idaho. And I guess not. Fall in line. Fall in line. Okay. And private blue shoots. You can do it. You take up those shoots. And let's move on now. Private deployed bucket.
Some of the theming and rock work right here before you enter the land. Just look at this, guys. It's a mess in there. Well, enough Star Wars stuff right now. Let's go catch a ride on alien swirling saucers. Currently a 55-minute standby. Not too bad, but luckily we have Fast Pass. Yay! Yay! To an end. Dang it.
What happened? There were supposed to be 7 of these soldiers here. Where is number 7?
New forms of intelligent life. Greetings. I come in peace.
Yes, Sergeant Say. What's supposed to
I like you, Slink, but I don't 95-minute like you. So, just how busy is Slinky Dog? Well, 95 minutes, and this entire line is all for it.
Here we go!
50-minute standby for Toy Story Mania. In the former area where we used to go for the entrance for Toy Story Midway Mania, well, the work walls still remain, and they're going to be that way, again, for quite a while. To say it's a little bit busy might be an understatement. Next attraction we're going to do is Star Tours, and currently has a 20-minute standby, but again, we have fast passes. So the last time we were here, there was literally nobody in line. Well, that's not the case this time. It's a little bit busier.
Computer, whose bag is this?
Hello.
Excellent job, sir. Let's move it along. Keep it moving. Remind me of something. I hope you enjoy your tour. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, and I wouldn't do. Indeed.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
One more attraction for the day, the Hollywood Tower Hotel, also known as Tower of Terror. Currently a 35-minute standby, but again, luckily, we have fast passes for the day. Success!
I've seen it enough times you can picture it in your head.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands on...
You were the passengers on an elevator about to ascend.
Something a little bit new is inside the gift shop. They have a morphing photo for Tower of Terror. So yeah, see those people? And then things happen, as in like they disappear. It's kind of neat actually. And this is the area right here where they take your photo and you can get your souvenir. Again, see the person right there? And then you just kind of step to the side. Kind of going along with the theme today, it's been definitely a little bit busy, as we can see right here on Sunset Boulevard. Yeah, it's almost 8 o'clock at night and there are still tons of people. And that's pretty much going to do it for inside the park. Let's go outside the park and check out the new Skyliner. And we have arrived, and we can still see the barriers inside the water for all the debris and sediment. However, the main building right here for the station is seeing quite a bit of work, and it looks like we have some roofing going on right there and different coverings. Let's get a little bit closer though.
What? No, I was just scared.
Now this area over here we believe is going to be for a bus depot, a permanent one. The one that's towards the front of the park is going to be leaving, and this is going to open up much more parking spots right here at Hollywood Studios. Here's a look at the bus loop map, and one thing to note on here, Disney Springs service does not begin until after 4 p.m. So we can see the loop right there, and then we can see the permanent structure right there being built, and all the buses over here that are taking guests to the other resort properties. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Disney's Hollywood Studios construction update for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and I am very happy to say that we now have a spaceship right there on the planet of Batuu. It looks really nice. Lots of theming is coming along very nicely. And of course we covered the Disney Skyliner, as that's looking pretty good also. We're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.